I love planners. I love getting organized and writing everything out. I love planning for the year and setting goals and then working towards something. This time I wanted to go for a minimalistic planner. And after doing a lot of research, I have chosen Neorah planner for 2023. The reason is I think it will serve my purpose. I look to find exactly what I need with all the features I want to use and no extra flop sections. And Neorah was serving the purpose. I ordered Neorah A5 weekly dated planner with which a user guide, three metallic sticker sheets, and hourly planner fully a diary comes free. If you see the user guide, you can see a lot of examples. I've not seen this with any other planner. It's very useful and practical. I love this. Now comes the hourly planner. This is very small, handy, and cute. I've not used it before. Let's see whether it works for me or not. And now is the real planner. Cover is nice and solid, capable of being tossed and thrown around. Okay, just kidding. The cover comes in many colors. I have chosen lavender and it's lovely. If you can see, these are the three metallic stickers. One is customizable. You can use highlighter or any marker for this. The size is A5. It's not too big, not too small. Let's go through each diary and see what's there in for us. If you see, the neon color lining on the elastic band makes it more attractive. I really like the round corner it has. It's giving a very classic look to the diary. And if you can see, it has monthly index tabs as well. This really an old school things which I haven't seen these recently. Let's open the diary now. This is the first page, and of course it's for your personal information, your contacts, any important contacts if you have, or any important days which you want to add. This is for that. So next page we have is for our visions. Vision board are a constant reminder of what our priorities are, and here we have two pages for that, and I think it is more than enough. All pages of the planner have great lines which make the planner unique, Bujo style. The pages are 120 GSM shade paper, which is kind of okay, and I really like this way. This page you'll find at the start of every month. We have space for goals, affirmation, things to do, health tracking, and a monthly calendar. So this page will help you to get an insight of what your month will look like. So next is our weekly page, and it has enough space to write your to-do list. We also have a section for habit tracking, and your priorities you can mention on every single page. At the end of every month you have two blank pages to customize per your need, and I think this is very useful. In short, this planner has everything which I need except the finance tracker which I keep in my phone or Google Docs. So with that being said, I feel like I got a good quality for the good price. If you like this minimalistic planner, I have added the planner link in the description box. I hope this planner served my purpose. Thank you for watching.